coursing on foot. Going to rise on bus. Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to. Thankful. Blessings all from the life man. But thank God for the journey, that's the plus. Yeah. Gratitude is a must. Yeah. Blessings fall from our right hand. What's the cost for the friends that they come to the Lord? One time, don't in a class, I would do it, let all this in the road. Heard for me, seven retired thing. And you know it formed up to be a fire thing. Now up on stage with credit, I sing, yeah, Jimmy, I'll dig it soon, get the iron ring like hello, brother. Say, I just saw you, saw you post a spectacular photo. Keep it burning, yes, that's the motto. If you need a butter, pass through your son. Yeah, man, and the fun. Me up to talk for the journey, the journey.
I'm here for the cake.
Gratitude is a must. Yeah, this is all American. What's the cost for the friends that they come to the Lord? One time, sit down in a class, I was worth it, all this in the road.
I haven't been here anywhere, but I went skincare shopping and I thought that I should do like a mini haul for you guys. I had to take out. First thing I got is this Dove whipped body cream, lavender and coconut milk. It's literally for all skin type. I usually add this cotton baby oil to it because it's not so like oily like that, so I always add that. I'm using this for 6 months now and I just repurchased it because it's really good for my skin. So yeah, this is my current body cream. I also got Spell body care argan oil hand and nail cream. Guys, you know Harmattan is coming, so I needed something that could help me moisturize properly. Skin Lab for normal skin daily cleanser. I think this is very gentle. I also picked up these beauty formulas brightening vitamin C facial tonic, which you guys know this is the toner that I use. I've been using this toner for almost a year now and it's been great on my skin, so yeah, I just repurchased this. I also picked up this eco gel. You guys know I have spoken before about this fashion fair. If you live in Nigeria, you definitely need this for like your night cream, not every day but like maybe 3 times in a week because of how hot it is in Nigeria. You don't want to get sunburned. It's a triple action cream if I haven't mentioned. If you know that you definitely need a fan, rechargeable fan in Nigeria. So I got this to help with heat when I'm out in the sun or when I'm going about my day. This will actually help me stay cool. I also got the Careline Naturals face and body scrub. You guys already know I've been using this brand for a year as well, and I just had to switch to the strawberry and berries. I used to use the sea salt one. It wasn't bad, to be honest, but I think it was drying me out too much, so I needed something different. I also repurchased the Tree foaming face wash, which I've showed you guys before. I've used it before, so I got it again. I got bio oil as well, which you guys for stretch marks, uneven skin tone and all of that. This works really well for like my bra strap lines, guys. If you use this, you're not going to have bra strap lines, trust me. Up the tea tree shampoo. I still have conditioner, so I ran out of shampoo and I had to get this one. It's also by SHC. What I picked up is the Musif fragrance. You guys already know, people have been raving about this on TikTok. So I got the mini because I have the bigger bottle already and it's almost done, so I had to just buy the mini.
Tell me why you look so fine, baby girl. I see you. Wanna ride you like a bicycle, and you they blow my mind from my mind ago. And I don't go lie, you light up my life. Everything for me. It's about to get started. It's not a song for the dancer. My baby baby love don't cost a dime. My baby love don't cost a dime.
Hi guys, so I'm at my uncle's house. I actually forgot that I went to the video's concert and I haven't given you guys the update because that's so crazy. It was so lit. I saw the video P Square. I'm sure you guys have seen the clip show, obviously hosted by Plugfest and all that, guys. It was amazing. See anybody that is trying to discourage you from going for a Nigerian concert, tell the person you are going, just make sure that you have, plans on how you're going to come back home, and also how you're going to secure yourself, like take care of your bags, your phone, be at alert, because people are solely there, some people are there to steal and stuff like that. So yeah, it wasn't a bad experience at all. I had a good time. Can tell from the clips you saw. I didn't even get to video everything, but the ones I could, I actually did video for you guys. So yeah, that's it. Officially that's December. I feel like I want to start another vlog. Maybe I would tag this as Dirty December series shouting, yeah, this one. So yeah, that's it though. Alright, make sure to like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff that you always do. I kind of feel like YouTube, because nothing's really happening, so I'm not really taking it seriously, but soon I will start taking YouTube seriously, maybe next year. Okay. Hey guys, I want to say thank you for sticking with me through the year 2023. Guys, that year was obviously a very rough one, but you guys stayed with me. You were there for me. I mean, you guys still stayed glued to my channel even when I became very inconsistent on this space, but I promise that this new year I'm back and better. Anyways, in this video I'm making afang soup, and I'm also making chicken and turkey stew. Okay, so yeah, that aside, now let's have a gist time. So 2023 was such a roller coaster for me. I had a lot of failed attempts, like most failed attempts, but I'm so grateful. Another thing I'm so grateful about is that God actually gave me a very successful business in 2023. God really outdid himself with my business, and I'm so grateful that it performed really well and he blessed us immensely. Also, just in general, YouTube and so on. I know I wasn't really consistent on YouTube, but I feel like my subscribers keep growing. I didn't have any moment where I'm like, oh, I've lost a couple subscribers. I mean, there's been a bit of losses here and there, but not the one like to really hurt my feelings and all of that. My relationship with God really grew last year. Like, guys, I started serving in church. Yeah, like God restored my salvation with him. You guys already know the story on here on how like I haven't been to church in a couple of years, and God finally arrested me in the year 2022 and blessed me so much. Even in 2023, like God was telling me, you know what, I needed to serve in my church, I needed to serve in my house, and I followed that call, and God directed me to the uni that I needed to serve in. So yeah, I'm grateful that I'm growing and God keeps directing me. He tells me, my daughter, it's time for you to do this, time for you to do that. 2024, guys, we go Haza is our year of flourishing, it's our year of abundant blessing, growth. Guys, I hope you've got your vision boards ready, because I know that everyone is definitely going to smash their goals. We're all going to smash our goals. We're all going to hit our targets. God is definitely going to be with us. That's pretty much, what I wanted to say. And I want to officially tell you guys, Happy New Year. I don't think I ever mentioned Merry Christmas, but Christmas is past now. So yeah, basically, Happy New Year, guys. I hope that this year we prosper, we are favored by God and man, everything we lay our hands on are prospering, and things will go in our favor. Okay, so guys, this food tasted so good, like so good. You guys already know that how I trade down in the kitchen. Anyways, make sure to like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff that they do here on YouTube. Guys, I need your support this year. Support me all the way, and I promise that I would not disappoint with the content that I'm bringing on this year. So I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.